Now here's a lift that the team at Tufflift Racing has some really good experience with, the EE-MR35 Scissor Lift. With its short lifting height and 3.5 tonne capacity, the EE-MR35 has gained somewhat of a cult-like following amongst the wrapping and detailing community. In fact, we recently used the EE-MR35 to wrap our beautiful Audi RS3 LMS racing car, and I can personally vouch for the fact that it makes the job of wrapping a racing car, or any car for that matter, a million times easier. Being able to lift the car to a standing working height makes working on the hard-to-reach side skirts of a car a much quicker and easier process. This is especially important if you are working on multiple cars within a short time frame, as it greatly reduces both worker fatigue and job turnaround time. The EE-MR35 has learned a thing or two from its bigger parking hoist brother and is also fully portable. This means that it can easily be moved around the workshop or out of the way of not being used. It's definitely a game changer for the car wrapping and detailing industry.